Hello, this is Howard Kamamoto with the Worldwide Partner Enablement Group here at NetApp. And today I'm joined by Amit Bolkar, one of our stellar technical marketing engineers here as well. Today we'd like to share a short technical demo on cloning and deploying a MongoDB application with persistent storage requirements on the Red Hat OpenShift platform on NetApp HCI. With that, Amit, take it away.
I'm Amit. I'm a technical marketing engineer with Converged Infrastructure Group at NetApp. I focus on open ecosystem solutions like OpenStack, container orchestrators, and PaaS platforms like OpenShift, Kubernetes on converged infrastructure like FlexPod and HCI. Basically, we'll be running an application with persistent storage needs and cloning it. So it's a pretty simple application, a Node.js server and a MongoDB database. So MongoDB database stores the state for your Node.js server. Then we clone the database volume, and then finally we attach the cloned volume back to the server. So this is a typical OpenShift application catalog where you have a lot of pre-canned applications. So we are going to deploy Node.js and MongoDB. One thing to understand here is Trident is already deployed in this setup. This is running on NetApp HCI. Trident is already deployed, so it manages the storage requests or any requests for persistent storage. So with that, we were able to spin up the application, and the page count values are basically stored in the database. As you can see, it gets incremented on every refresh. Now what we are going to do is go and log into the container, or the pod I should say, and then first we need to squeeze the database so that the database is not in an inconsistent state. So first we go into the database, stop the database using a standard fsync log command. Now our database is stopped, so we can actually now clone the database. So what we are going to do is exit out of this pod and then use one of the standard clone templates that Trident has along with the sum of the sample inputs. One of the important things here to understand is clones aren't exposed as first-class citizens inside Kubernetes, and Trident enables you to actually clone your volumes. This is true for ONTAP-based backends as well as element-based backends. So we specify that use an existing volume, MongoDB, and clone it. The name that we give for the clone volume is MongoDB -clone. So we created a new persistent volume claim. Next, what we are going to do is change the database volume for our server. So we go to the deployment config and modify the volume that we are using. So we were using a MongoDB volume. We are going to change that to MongoDB-clone we just created. And this actually triggers a new build job where actually the new volume is built and it is attached to the pod. So all this build job occurs behind the scenes. We can verify that the new clone volume is attached, and we can see that the page counts are incremented as we go further.
Thank you very much, Amit. I think our partner audience realizes the value of these capabilities in DevOps and OpenShift environments, especially where persistent storage is valued and we can fully utilize NetApp Trident. So where can our partner audience find more information? First, GitHub, the repository of everything open source. Certainly check out netapp.io, aka ThePub. There's a lot of great information there, including the design and deployment guides for OpenShift and NetApp HCI. Please join our Slack channel. And then importantly, as always, reach out to your NetApp Technical Partner Manager and your distributor Technical Partner Manager for more information. Thank you again, Amit, for presenting the demo. Thank you, audience members, for attending. Until next time, this is Howard Kamamoto. Great selling.